Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to fix the app which constantly crashes. So first of all, let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's go to app management and find the app which keeps crashing and which you'd like to fix. So let's pretend in my case it is Chrome. So let's tap on it. And the first thing we have to do is to force stop, because if the app is opened in the background, even though you cannot see it, it might interfere. So first of all, force stop, tap on force stop. And the second thing which we have to do is to tap on storage usage and remove the cache. So let's tap on clear cache. Avoid tapping on clear data, because basically it will really remove everything from the app. So for example, accounts, history, etc, etc. So just focus on clear cache. After that, so after the force stop and clear cache, you can try to open it. And if it is not working, then I highly recommend to simply reset your device, because resetting will, let's say, confirm all of the changes. So you have to press the power button and the volume up button together, just once, maybe not like that. That wasn't what I wanted to show you. So press both of them, and now just drag this ball to the restart option. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and hopefully it will work with your app. If not, you can try to download the update. So let's go and find it in the Play Store. Be aware you need the internet connection, and you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can check how to do it by simply finding our video of how to add or remove a Google account in this model. So let's enter the Play Store, and you've got two different ways to get into the updates. You can either tap right here in the right upper corner, this is our account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Then go to Manage and tap on Updates Available. And right here we've got the list of apps which can be updated. So you can just scroll and find it. As you can see, I've got Google Chrome. So all you have to do is to mark it and then tap on this update icon. But you can also do it a little bit faster just by tapping on search. Tap on this section at the top and enter the name of the app which would like to update. Just find it, search for it, and as you can see here, we've got the Google Chrome which is installed. And all you have to do is to tap on update. So let me try to do it. Moreover, if the update won't work for some reason, I mean your device will download it, install it, and unfortunately the app keeps crashing, I highly recommend to simply try to uninstall it and then install again. So let it just update, and let me show it to you on different app. I don't know which one yet, but I will show you. You can also do it right here in the Google Play Store, and just find the app, tap on it, and after tapping you will find this uninstall option. So just tap on uninstall, yes, and then your device will uninstall everything, and after that simply tap on install. So just install it again, and hopefully it will work. I mean, updates usually work. And the third thing which you can do, or fourth, I'm not sure, which is also connected with the updates, I highly recommend to keep your device updated. You can check the system updates using the settings. Let's go back, scroll down, go to system and update, and tap on software update. Basically, if you've got the update pending, you will have this little notification here, which will show you that you can download the update, and I highly recommend to download it and install it, because the older version of the system might interfere with the apps and cause crashing. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.